Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to send Facebook avatar sticker in Messenger. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to send Facebook avatar sticker in Facebook Messenger, tap open your Facebook application first. Now, soon after you do that, make sure you're signed into your account. Once you are, go and tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right corner. From this page, tap on See More. You'll be able to see an option saying Avatars. Tap on Avatars. Now, go ahead and select Stickers option in the top right corner. As you can see it right here, give it a tap and now select a sticker you wish to share with your friend. Tap on the sticker in order to select it, and from the expanded menu at the bottom, there is an option to send on Messenger. Tap on Send on Messenger. As soon as the Messenger application opens, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Now, from the list of the contacts, select the contact that you want to send the avatar sticker to. Right beside the contact's name, you'll be able to see a Send option. Tap on Send, and now go back. As you can see that, the contact has now received my Facebook avatar sticker. That is how it is done. It is pretty quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.